standing at the tent, as you can see the cloud here. Right on the summit of Cadair Idris. Come on then. To Cadair Idris Wild Camp today. Hopefully we'll be camping up on the summit. There's some strong winds forecast, but I think we should be okay. So we're out of the really steep wooded section now, and I guess really we're approaching what you might say is the mountain. And I'll just spin the camera around in a second and let you see what I mean. There we are. Still got a long way to go yet. Onwards and upwards. Come on, Cora, let's go. This way. Quite tough, this. Cadair Idris, trig point. Right there, going into the hut. Well, the clouds just cleared from up here, and the view is just fantastic. I'm going to flip this round. Truly brilliant. Right on the summit of Cadair Idris. Just move round. Probably got the trig point of the shot. There we go. In a rather rattly, noisy tent. Really windy out there. Looking at the Met Office, it says we're looking at about 60 km winds with gusts which are higher. That might be a little noisy. If it gets really windy, then we can always go back to the stone hut. But I'll keep you up to date. For now, good night from me and good night from here. Good morning. It's been a really windy night. Tent's taking quite a bit of a battering in the wind, but it's still up. We're still here. It's going to be difficult taking it down in this wind, but I'm sure we'll manage. Cora is sat here waiting to go out. God knows why. And the tent's rattling, rocking and rolling. Let's see when we're up. chip packed. It's really blowing. This stone hut is such a luxury, it's great. I've packed my tent up just about in the wind and then it got blown away. Fortunately no brew because I forgot my cooker, and also my tent bag blew away yesterday when I was putting the tent up. I'd shoved it in my pocket but I'd forgotten to zip it up, which is a bit of a silly mistake, isn't it? But anyway, we're sitting in this little hut for 5 minutes just to gather ourselves and prepare for the hike down. See you all in a bit. Ta-da. Come on! Come on! Where is she? Oh, where is? Come on! Come on! Up, 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 up! Good Gale! Good Gale! Where you been? Where you going? You can't leave me like this! You can't! Go on there, let's go! I knew it was going to be blowing, but I wasn't expecting gusts quite like this. I think the Soulo did well last night. Certainly helped having the delta pegs, I think, and where I wasn't using the deltas, they're double pegs. Really piddled me off though, not bringing me cooker. Love me cup of coffee in the morning. Still, this is good fun. So the plan now is to follow this fence, which is shown as a boundary on the map, and we're going to follow this down, which should eventually take us into the woods, across a small stone bridge, and then down to the bottom to the car park. So fingers crossed, it looks doable on the map. Well, we've had nothing but driving rain for about 3 hours now. As soon as we came onto the cloud cover, it just started chucking it down. But we're actually not that far from the bottom now. Well, that's the end of our Cadair Idris adventure. Good wild camp up on the summit. Really strong winds. I think they were around about 40 plus mile an hour. Gusts maybe a little bit more. Tent stood up to it really well. Went out the bottom. Hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed making it. And we really did, believe it or not. If you've enjoyed it, please subscribe. Click the like button. Be very much appreciated. And I'll see you at my next video. Bye.